What you're looking at here is a solar-powered Gadget charger nearing completion. The internal electronics are all connected now, and you can see it's operating. But what we haven't connected yet is the outputs. So we're going to have two sets of output power. One will be 12 volts DC, and there's a terminal strip at the top that has two empty screw positions on the left side. That's where that will connect. And then the other output is from the power device in the plastic enclosure that's currently showing us its output is 5 to 5.1 volts. And that will be connected using the terminal strip that is to the left, in the bottom left corner of the circuit area. And then, as you can see, there's a battery underneath. I'm using a 9 amp hour 12 volt sealed lead acid battery. And I just finished assembling this today, a little while ago. We're bench testing it. The output from my panel right now looks very low. As you can see, the LCD device with the changing display elements that's above the black box, the one with the blue, that one is connected between the charger and the battery, so it's monitoring what charging activity is going on to the battery. And right now, on the solar controller in the top left, we see that all three of the red LEDs are lit, indicating that the charge controller considers the battery to be fully charged. And that's why we see only 1.2 watts right now being applied to the battery. It's to maintain it and to cover the load being presented, very small load being presented by my 12 volt to 5 volt adapter. So the design requirements for this were that it has to live outside and be weatherproof. And what I'm going to do now is stop this and close the lid and show you what we did. There you see the project with its front door closed. And what this is an old sonar device that was found on our property after we bought it. We know that previous owners did own a boat, so that would explain why there was a sonar gadget. I stripped out all the electronics and used the box. Up in the top right, you can see a white gadget, and it has a black wire going in. That's the output from the solar panel. And in order to get it in there without getting in the rain, I actually used a plastic pour spout from a water cooler that I didn't like. It had a massively powerful return spring, and the way it was designed, you could never leave it unattended with it open, and that was what I wanted. So, whoops, that's a planner now. Anyway, this is what it looks like on this side, and now we're going to get up and show you some other views. Here's the metal box. We'll walk around and get the sun behind us. There's my little 5-watt panel. It's not mounted where it's really going to go yet. We have a 2-inch metal pole and a bucket that wants to have cement in it, apparently. So that's it. That's my solar charger. It's completely self-contained. It should be able to charge any device I own, like a tablet. It will have a 5-volt USB connector and a 12-volt DC car cigarette lighter adapter once it's all done.